People say India is an agricultural nation. That's true, but the scenario is something different. So many farmers are committing suicides because of lack of knowledge. They don't know modern day agriculture. Let's suppose if any pest attack on any plant, they don't know what are the right pesticide to use and what proportion, and they don't know how to increase the crops in less investment. But nowadays technology has a great expansion. That's why today we come up with this topic. Hello friends, I am Tarak Roy and welcome to our channel Techno Plus. Today's topic is how technology can help our farmers. That's our today's topic. Let's go and check this out.
For this you have to download one application. Now go to your Play Store and type for the search bar plantix. The first option you get, click on it and download it. The link of this app also given in our description box. You can download it also from there. Mission complete. Now press on open. Now select your language. I select here English. Now press skip and now press allow. Now click on the plus option and select any crops, like I select here mango. And press OK. Now select the mango icon on the up hand side and now click on the latest post option. Here you see one post about the disease. You can read and study this kind of thing. Now press here learn more to learn about many other diseases as well. Here I click in this option. It shows what is this disease, what is its symptoms, what will be the remedies. Everything is shown here. Now I click on the health check option. Here you can take any photo or video of your plant disease and upload here for remedies. Now press back. Now go to the community tab option and click on the right post option to post your queries. Now click on the advisory option for your beneficial agriculture. Here you can select any crop, like I here click on tomato. It shows do you use chemical pesticides or fertilizer. I clicked on yes and they are asking for the date. Let's suppose I clicked here and what is the size. I select 2 and the area is 2 acre. Now press on accept and what is my experience. I select here 1 to 5 years. Now click on ready and here it shows what are the right steps to follow to generate more revenue on agriculture. We are done today. We will be come back very soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.